Hello friends, today I Siddharth Kumar Panda standing in front of you to present my exhibit which is prepared on the subtheme Mathematical Modeling. The title of the project is Circle Making Robot. You have seen such models various times in YouTube channel, but the thing that differentiates this model with other models is the application that we have put inside it as an input. The basic thing is that in our current time, we are just thinking that math is a subject where we have to learn theories and exam hall, we have to solve the problem using those theories and get good marks. But that should not be the ideology. The actual ideology of maths application should be there when we have to find the physical problems by using maths. We have to go to the root level cause of that problem. We have to solve that problem using mathematical models, and even we have to interrelate that solution with the physical problem to check its correct solution or not. Again, when we have some agricultural programs in India, we can see that we have using square or rectangular kind of field. I'm not going against the IT revolution, but the thing is that we have to also push back the sector of agriculture. How can we push back? Agriculture depends on two main things. Basically, the land area and the time. The land area can be solved by using geometry. So if you take circle in one hand and any other shape in another hand with the same perimeter, you can find that the area of circle will always be greater. So if the area is greater, more number of seeds can be sown, and also if the more number of seeds can be sown, higher yield will be produced. So coming to the model, we can show this by our exhibit. The basic thing is that this is the handle consisting of wooden pipe. We have a funnel and also arm which consists of several pipes which will be helpful for irrigation process. Another thing is that we have a rotator from which energy is provided by battery and transmitted through the wire, and it is manipulated completely through the switch. The another major thing is that the wheel, because without wheel we cannot help to rotate the model. Okay, if we turn on the switch, we can find that this model will continuously rotate. The basic thing is that if it rotates, what is the helpfulness we can get from it? If we are continuously farming in square field, that is not of use. If we are continuously farming in circle type of field, we can see that the distance between these two pipes is the radius difference between the inter and intra spaces of the irrigation. Basically, the number of seeds is equal to total area by feeding area, and feeding area again is equal to inter-row into intra-row spacing. But you can think that, okay, I have made a circle, but how can I use that circle? So here we can use by in football field. The major thing is that if this is a goalpost with two endpoints, A and B, the major thing is that we cannot goal from every point of the field. There should be some calculation. Okay, take these 2 points as the segment of circle that is drawn imaginary line. Now connect these circles with the point B and again with the point D as well as the point theta that we have noted here. You can find that these two angles are equal because these are the circle, and on same segment these are also circular in nature. Also, if we construct on this side, working of camera lens, as I have told, it is also working on this kind of model. How? Because if this is our eye, the object perpendicular just to our eye will be clearly visible. That is known as panorama effect. Because as per panorama, higher concentration on the middle and lesser at the wider sides. Here also, as I explained, the football field also we can see that as per tangent secant rule, CD square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Also, we can see how the regular uses of circles are done here. We can find that the properties of circles are widely used for construction of buildings and other objects. Hence, at last, concluding my speech, I must say that I am not saying that maths is everywhere, but the application of mathematics theorems can be used everywhere in order to solve the basic problems due to its generality. Thank you.